and welcome to Bass Fishing 202. I'm your host, Lance Perticone. I'm here in Central Florida with my old buddy Gary Day, and we are trying a lake that neither one of us have ever been on called Lake Bonnie. It is in Lakeland, next to or very close to Lake Parker. It's fairly small, fairly shallow by the looks of it. Looks like a lot of grass. We'll see what we can do. We are on this cold, windy first day post cold front day in Central Florida. Gary Day and I started out on Lake Bonnie, a lake that neither one of us had ever fished. After a pretty slow morning, we decided to relocate to the more familiar Lake Rochelle. Now, the fish wouldn't touch soft plastics on either lake, and the day became a contest between the Jackhammer and the Trickster Spinnerbait. Let's see how the action went down. I told you were gonna get one. Nice.
Nice fish on a chatterbait. He's out on the reed line. June bug trip worm, Texas rig, lightweight, up against it.
Gary did catch a bonus fish on a mini Carolina rigged Senko, but by the end of our day, the Jackhammer was responsible for 5 bass, while the Trickster Spinnerbait caught only 2. And thanks for spending a little time with us in Bass Fishing 202. Remember, just a little more advanced than Bass Fishing 101. Please subscribe, may you be blessed, and I'll see you all next time.